Good morning, good morning. Welcome back with me, Melinda. It's all about you, and let's get fit. I hope you had your morning coffee already, you're stretched, and you're ready to go because I'm ready. This morning we're going to do a combination of things. We're going to work on our abs, we're going to work on strengthening, and we're going to work on getting our heart pumped and going. Okay, so you're ready? I'm ready. First, we're going to start off with some jumping jacks. Okay, and we're going to do this at 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good job. Now, you know what I always say? When we try to get our hearts up, we keep it moving. Now what we're going to do is we're going to run in place. Okay? So, you need to pick up the speed, and it's like we're running away from something so it doesn't catch us. And get your legs up, and we're going to do it in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and you won the race. Okay, now we're gonna just go down. You know how I love to do those squats and pop up, all right? So we're gonna go down, touch the ground, and come up, and hopefully my earpiece doesn't pop up out of my ear like it always does. You guys always see me messing with my earpiece here, okay? And it's 1, 2, 3, 4. Come on, last one. 5. Now we got this heart up, okay? We are ready to get started. First thing we're going to do is a combination of things. We're going to pretend we have a basketball. We're going to dribble the ball, and then we're going to shoot it to the right. We're going to dribble it. We're going to do that 10 times. Then we're going to dribble the ball. We're going to shoot it to the left 10 times, okay? So you dribble, you shoot. You dribble, you shoot. First 10 to the right, then 10 to the left. You ready? Let's get started. Dribble, and you got to dribble running in place because you can't dribble standing still. Dribble, shoot. Okay? That's 1. But we're going to count back to 10. So, that's 10, 9, 8, 7. Get down low. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, now to the left. And it is 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good job. Good job, good job, good job. Now, we're going to pretend we have tires. Big round tires, okay? And when you have the tires, you step 1, you step 2, you step 3, you step 4, then you run back, okay? Now the tires are big, so you gotta be careful, all right? But it works these outer legs, it gets you in shape. So you step, you step, you step, and then you run back, all right? Are you ready? Now, we're gonna do those 5 up, and you run back. That makes it 10, right? Okay, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and you run back. And it's 2, 3, 4, and you run back. 1, 2, 3, 4, and it's back. 1, 2, 4, and back. 1, 2, 3, 4, back. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, and back. Good job. Excellent job. Now, our next exercise that we have to do, you're going to pick up your weights, whatever weights that you feel you're comfortable with. Now with the weights, it's going to be a continuous flow. So make sure those weights are not too heavy. So I'm going to show you all the things we're going to do with the weights, because once we get started, we're going to keep going through. In the meantime, I want you to keep marching. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to have this stand. We're going to do this 10 times, 10 to the right, then 10 to the left. Then we're going to curl up to the chest, and then we're going to curl up this way, okay? And then we're going to do challenge, beat ourselves, bungos, okay? We're going to do bungos, 10, and then we're going to do clam. All right, you ready? It's going to be a continuous flow. Let's get started, okay? And on the count of 10, ready? Let's roll it. All right, and it's 1. Hands on the hips, and it's 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, now, hair up my face, and it's 10, 9, this is to the left, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come on, we can do it. Now, let's take it up. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Curl it up. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, let's beat bongos. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, let's clam. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good job. Now, our last thing is we're going to take it and we're going to work on our tummy. Now, you know my best one. Elbow. Okay. Do elbow, and then we're going to climb it, and we're going to tighten it, squeeze it together. Okay. Keep it flowing. You ready? Let's go. Right to left. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now left. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now let's make it tight. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, squeeze. 1. Good job. Now, the last one, we're going to pulse it. You know how I love doing this. You can use with the weight or without a weight. I got a 3-pound weight. I place it on my tummy and I pulse it. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Squeeze. 4, 3, 2, 1. Pulse it again. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We did it in 10 minutes. We got a complete workout. Yes, we did. It's all about you, and you did it because you can, okay? And it feels good. We worked our heart, our tummy, we strengthened. Angela Bassett arms, that's what you got. And you did it in 10 minutes, okay? And your challenge, and I hope you were able to conquer your challenge yesterday, and today is the same. Tell everyone to work out with Melinda with Let's Get Fit, because it's all about you, and tell them it's all about them, okay? So, your challenge Today, again, tell people, work out with me every day, all day with Let's Get Fit because it's all about you. All right, and I will see you back here tomorrow. On Sunday, we'll be in Atlanta. Tomorrow, we're back here in Buffalo. The weather is getting better, okay? It will continue to get better, I hope, because I hate the cold. That's why I'm heading to Atlanta on Sunday to get some heat. But we'll be in Atlanta. On Monday, we'll be in San Francisco. On Tuesday, we'll be in Vegas. On Wednesday, we'll be in LA. So I'm taking you to warm places. I'm trying to get you there, but right now we're here in Buffalo. Buffalo is beautiful. You guys have to come visit, but for right now it's too cold. But anyway, see you back here. Love you. Bye-bye.